leading the times with innovation and creating brilliance with quality. China SHIMI is going ahead steadfastly. Guangdong SHIMI Intelligent Equipment Company, Ltd., is a professional manufacturing enterprise engaged in research and development, manufacturing, sales, and export of cold chamber, hot chamber, and vertical die casting machines. Founded in 2009, the company has been relying on a professional R&D team, combining advanced die casting machine production and manufacturing processes at home and abroad, has independently researched and developed hundreds of reliable products with high performance and high stability. SHIMI Company has achieved rapid development, and it has invested a new production base in Jiangmen, Guangdong in 2022, covering an area of 23,000 square meters. SHIMI Company has the capabilities of R&D and manufacturing heavy-duty die casting machines. From raw materials, machining, welding, assembly, commissioning to final inspection, SHIMI Company has a complete and scientific production and inspection system. In terms of machining, we have imported processing equipment that meets industry standards with high automation and high precision, such as horizontal boring and milling machining center, vertical machining center, CNC milling machine tool, and advanced processing equipment such as CNC internal and external cylindrical grinding machines, together with mature and perfect processing technology, standardized operating procedures, and scientifically optimized fixtures and jigs, which ensure the accuracy requirements of the machine parts and a significant increase in processing productivity. In terms of welding, we use intelligent welding robots, while achieving efficient automated production, ensure the quality and accuracy of welding. In terms of assembly, we use rigorous assembly techniques, top testing instruments in the industry, and internationally renowned die casting machine components, comprehensively improve the overall level and core competitiveness of products. In terms of commissioning and final inspection, each of our machines has a final test time over 72 hours before leaving the factory. Ensure that every detail is done to the extreme, on the premise of ensuring the stability and durability of the machine. Create more efficient and energy-saving products. Annual production capacity exceeds 1,500 units. The annual gross production value is close to 300 million yuan. Our best-selling products cover cold chamber, hot chamber, vertical die casting machine, and aluminum, magnesium, copper, lead, zinc alloy die casting machines, and semi-solid die casting machines and extruders. The SHIMI die casting machine has a high-performance and high-strength mold closing mechanism, efficient and energy-saving servo control system, stable and reliable high-speed injection system, new generation advanced stable hydraulic system, easy to operate and intelligent precision control system, and complete and mature peripheral auxiliary equipment, widely used in new energy, aviation, auto parts, kitchenware, clothes accessories, lighting fixtures, bathroom, hardware, and other industries. For the zipper industry giants SBS and 3DF, and well-known enterprises such as Wuxi and CMZ, SHIMI have provided over 3,000 specialized die casting machines. Over 300 LED lighting industry users in the Pearl River Delta region. More than 2,000 cold chamber machines have been put into use. In domestic regions such as Zhejiang, Guangdong, Fujian, Hebei, etc., and overseas regions, SHIMI also have a huge customer base. The total sales volume in the market ranks among the top in the industry. Mr. Huang Qinghai, Chairman. 30 years of continuous focus on the die casting machine manufacturing industry. Under his leadership, SHIMI Company has grown from an initial team of 12 people to a powerful team of over 150 people. The product range ranges from 15 tons of die casting machines to over 10,000 tons of die casting cell, as well as fully automatic production lines. Let SHIMI be at the forefront of the die casting machine field. After more than 10 years of experience accumulation, we deeply understand only superior quality and perfect service are the guarantee to win the trust of customers. Looking ahead, We insist on the goal to meet the needs of our customers. Our mission is to promote the development of precision equipment in China through pragmatic innovation. We intend to build a better future together with new and old customers.